Hello guys, this is Gavin from Gavin's Club. How are you guys? In today's video, we have a kind of video that I want to be talking about for a little bit for a while. It's called Spinz TV Repo. It is spelled SPINZ TV Repo, and a lot of people is like, what's Spinz TV Repo? Spinz TV Repo is a build that Kodi uses. And what is Kodi, everybody asks? Well, Kodi is a open source. It's an open source. It's like Windows Media Player, but it uses different. And people always ask me, what can you get Kodi on? What can you get Kodi on? Well, you can get Kodi on you can get them on multiple devices. You can get them on any Fire TV, any Fire Sticks. You can get this thing on it. You can get it on any PC, any Mac, and you can also get it for your Android phones as well as Android boxes. Now, there is different ways for you to install it on different devices, so make sure you see what device you have. But the build is the same for every device. Every device can have the same build, but to get the build, there might be different options. It's the same app, it's the same program, same everything, but to get Kodi might be different for you. PC and Fire Sticks are different, but the Android devices and the Android phones are the same. So what do we have here? Well, so we have TV shows, and you can watch TV shows the day after. So let's just say you like, oh no, I forgot to record. Oh no, I forgot to watch Grey's Anatomy. If you have this build Kodi on your laptop, your Fire Stick, or whatever device you have, you will still be able to watch it. Just click on TV shows. Now all these apps will be the same exact way. The same exact outline and everything is going to be the same. Now you just gotta wait for it to load. Now depending on what device you're using might be different. If you're using a Fire Stick, a Firebox, the speeds of each program might be a little bit different than all the other ones, but it just will depend on what you are used to. So if you want to watch, let's say you watch Grey's Anatomy every Thursday, and you forgot to watch Grey's Anatomy, you forgot to DVR it, and etc. etc. Well, you can go up to what called networks. Networks. Okay. Once you click on network, it'll be working, and it'll be loading. It'll be loading the box. So find the network that your show's on. So for instance, this is just for a demonstration. ABC is the host for Grey's Anatomy, right? Oh, something has happened. Hang on. Okay, now just keep in mind that just click on ABC. Just keep in mind that these add-ons, this build, is always constantly updating. It's constantly updating. It's constantly updating. It's always updating all the time. The levitors are always updating. Every single time I turn this on, it's been updated, and I've been using Kodi since November. You gotta click on Grey's Anatomy. Once you click on Grey's Anatomy, guys, it's working on that. Okay, and as you can see, whatever season, there's season 1, season 2, season 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, so there's 13 seasons. So 13 is the newest season. You can just click on there. Once you click on them, on season 13, you see they give you the date that these shows were aired. So this was shared in September. This was October. So you get all the shows from that season. So this show was just on this Thursday. So I'm recording this on Monday. This is the Thursday show, but you better not touch. And it gives you at 13 by 10. You can look, and they 45. There's no commercials. There's no fast forwarding. It's right here. Okay. Now, with everything being said, I'm on this backspace. Now, you don't have this board. You don't have this bar right here. Okay. Which you can scroll over, and then there'll be tons of show. And it's this little bar right here. This bar right here, it's pretty cool what this bar can do. If you go to toggle it, if you have a little kid, this can also help. It's great. Just pop in the show. Kids, this movie Sling. Ladies' nights. If ladies, here's lady 50 this, and this. Grand favorites. Horror. Split is a new movie. Sports. These sports. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys one thing about the sports tab. Now, if you are interested in sports tab, some sports work and some don't. You just don't have to figure out. NFL Game Pass does work. Live for USC Feast does work. Castway does work. Some of them work, some of them don't. IPTV, and this is a great feature. Now, if you are interested in cutting cable, cutting that cable bill, cutting cable, you cover cutter, this bill has some live TV options, some live TV stations, but not all of them work. Some of them work and some of them don't. The best one for IPTV in this build is going to be CC Cloud TV. CC Cloud TV is be probably your best bet as to getting, and I know they were working on a lot of updates, a lot of stuff in beta. I don't know if it's fixed it yet, but you can go top 10 English TV guide, all channels. If you go to all channels, it'll be working on it, and it'll work on it. It's working. It's loading. It's entering that stream, guys. Okay. Avira was a lot of AC Cloud cartoon. I'm not gonna click on any of them because I do not want to get a copyright or anything like that. But these are some live TV channels. ESPN, ESPN, History Channel, Nickelodeon. So a lot of different channels here now. What I haven't found is news. There is some news channels, but I haven't found any of my local news channels located. So if you're into news, you might have to figure out. But there's different ways about it. You can always log into your newscast or whatever. Depending on what you're using. Now, if you're using a laptop like I am, and you have it connected to a monitor, you can have this app, Kodi, you can have this build, Kodi, Spinz TV on your laptop. and connect it through a HDMI. Get yourself a wireless mouse and keyboard, and you just have a web browser, and you can watch some TV shows, movies, and everything through this, and then your newscast to WCVB or whatever. You could do that. I haven't figured out how you can watch news on the Fire Stick yet, but once I do, I will report on that. So it's a lot of the different stuff that's on there. So if you're interested in can this watch live TV, yes, but some of them don't work. Some of the channels, most of them on this top bar right here, on this top bar does not work, but a lot of them do work. The best. Now everybody's like, what's the best? The best one for live TV, most accurate, it is CC Cloud TV. CC Cloud TV is free, and that is going to be the most useful source out there on this build for live TV. Emanations, search, you can search. Now this right here is pretty interesting. I looked at this, and what this is videos, like your music videos, but it's through this Kodi application. And music videos, you click on one. I'm not gonna click on it, but this does work pretty good. My add-ons, a lot of them work. USTV does not work. USTV does not work. It does, but you have to do. It's a pain in the butt. This does work. USTV. I have watched the MAA fight, the pay-per-view fight. It does work, but it's depending on. Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna go to programs. A lot of different programs you can get here. Fitness, if you want to stop working out, get this application, guys. It's one of the great applications. Speed test, system, movies. Now, a lot of people are asking, can you watch movies? Like newer movies? Absolutely. And what is the best source in my mind for movies? The best source for movies through this build will be Exvius. I'm gonna go back for you. It's called Exvius Movies. Exvius Movie is the best one out of all of these. A lot of these don't work, but Exvius is the best one of all time. Now, just know that newer movies that come out will be cams. A lot of the newer movies will be cams, but as soon as they get out there longer and longer, the better quality movies will come out. Let's keep that in mind. Now, if you don't, let's say you want to find movies, you want to find G movies, PG movies, PG-13 rated R movies, you can categorize them. So you can categorize them. What people are watching, most popular, most voted, box office, and theaters. You can click on this in theaters, but I'm going to give you one hint about this tab here. In theaters tab. Once it loads, I will explain more. The in theaters tab, a lot of people are on this tab at once. A lot of people like to get in there. These are the movies that are in there. A lot of these movies are not good quality. A lot of these movies are cams. But some of them are very good. Now, Split, as of right now, is a cam, because it just came out. But give it about a week or two, and it'll be a good copy. Land is a cam. Resident Evil is a cam. This one's not a cam. Moana is a cam, but you can find some good copies. Moonlight is not a cam yet. Not a cam. Silence is not a fan. Woe 1 is still a cam. As of yesterday, it is a cam. If a new video release is on me. The leading passengers. Sling is still a cam. Sling is still a cam. The Gone. Love the Night. Fantasy Beast. Trolls. Jackie. Suicide Squad. I know this is not in theaters, but this movie is not a cam. This is actually a great movie. Great movie. The Matheson Son. Patriots Day. Now you're all asking me, is Patriots Day a cam? Patriots Day is not a cam. People are like, well, Patriots Day just came out like a couple days ago. Well, remember, Patriots Day might have been in the movies, but it was only in Boston area. So there's probably people who went to the Boston movies. There's a cam, but it got leaked out somehow. Patriots Day is not a cam whatsoever. I am going to use this. I am going to use Patriots Day as a reference as an example for this video. Once you click on Patriots Day, it is going to take 30 seconds to load up a menu. 30 seconds. Now remember, getting these does resolve on some kind of patience and some kind of look around. You need to know what's the best. Once he loads, you'll be like, I'm so overwhelmed. What ones are these? Well, I'm gonna tell you guys something. They all might use different alright, so CD can HD. They might be all using this, but let's give you a heads up. All of these are using the same video, it's just by different sources. The best sources to look for will be OpenLoad is a great source to look for. C video is a good one, but most of these are the same exact one. I just watched them. Now I am gonna click on it real quick, and then I'm gonna exit it. So let's say you want this one. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's not gonna instant. You're gonna have to wait a little bit for it to load. Okay? It's gonna load. See, it takes about 10 or 20 seconds to like kick in, and it's working on it. This is Patriots Day right here. You're loading it. Boom. It's 2 hours and 13 minutes. But this is Patriots Day. Now, I'm just going to exit this out because I don't want to get copyright, and that is not a copyright scene right there. So that's instant for your movies, your videos. Now, there is a movie tab that goes through it, but there must be something wrong with it, so it's not loading quite yet. But that is my video on Spinz TV Repo and Kodi. Now, I am going to be doing more videos on Spinz TV, on the builds, and how. I am going to do a separate video on how to install Spinz TV on a PC. How to install Spinz on a PC. And I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm also going to talk to you guys about the different layers of everything, on how to do it, on how to edit it, and what everything is. So I'm going to do a lot of videos on this build. So this is my series I'm going to start a new series called Kodi TV / Spinz TV. I have used multiple builds, but this by far is my favorite one. And I'm going to keep doing updates on this Spinz TV, and more, and they keep getting updated. As of right now, I am using Kodi 16.1 Java. Krypton 17 is not out yet, it's in beta. Once it is live, I might switch over it. I'm not too sure yet. But anyway, this is the introduction video to Kodi TV, build name Spinz TV Repo. Guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.